Hi, it's Ben from Dita Solutions. Today I'm going to demonstrate how the Dita Creator works. The Dita Creator is the interface that we use to create modules for your staff or your clients to view through our cloud-based solution. We've got our editing turned on up the top here. Some other aspects up the top is we can change our profile, our settings, return to the home page at any time, or log out. Also, through this menu button, we can create new modules, courses, open existing ones, go back to the home page which we're on, or save and exit. Also, the help pages will give you all the help you need, assistance you need to create a new module. The next couple of buttons which are important, importing an existing module that you have already created the module in the past, but maybe there's some legislation changes and you need to update that, well, you can then just import them back in and make those slight changes and call it another version. Or you might have a client that has other needs slightly different to what your module is teaching now, so you can customize them per each client or each location in your business. Today we're going to just quickly create a small module, and let's just call this module test, and that brings up the name of the module, and we need to give it a description, and we need to give it a when they're finished the module, what we say to them at the end. Over to the left here, it tells us the next step that we have to do is insert a stage. Let's just call this stage 1. Insert the stage, and what can we do on stage 1? Stage 1 is just the title, plus you can add a PDF, and when you add a PDF here, that means that it's available on every page or every section in that stage. Let's now insert a section. Let's just call this page 1, and we have many different types of pages that we can insert. So we can insert a video only, HTML only, HTML and audio, assessment, exercise, or survey. So today let's just create a HTML only page. In the future, I'm going to be putting up more videos where I'll go into every little aspect of this to show you how each component works individually. This is just a quick overview so that we can see just what's in the system, and then in the future I'll give you some more in-depth knowledge on how the whole system works. So this is just a WYSIWYG where we can make our changes to suit our look, our feel, or what we can do is just we can copy and paste from external Word documents or PDFs or from the website and paste them directly into this WYSIWYG. And so that's one aspect that we're going to see there. And what I might do here is insert an image, and you can either insert an image or you can insert a web link from this page. Let's just insert an image. What have we got here? Let's hello Laurie. Open that up and insert it in, and we'll soon see the image bring itself in. We can also insert videos into these pages, as well as having you can have a video only page, but you can also insert videos into these HTML pages. You can set up tables inside, so all sorts of tables depending on what you're wanting to display. Insert links, so they can be URL links, email links, or anchors. And we can also put in rollovers. So rollovers can be done over an image, or they can be just done over text. Let's go here. We are. And so we'll just insert that in there. Here we are. And you can see that we're rolling over that text there. Another aspect that you can insert here is what we call a submit and reveal. Let's put this one down here. So you can put another image in there and have a submit and reveal, or you can just place in a question like how are you, and we know the response is great, but we'll see what the user puts in when they get to the end. Let's save that page. That's enough for this page. So let's preview what we've done so far. So we've got a preview module button up the top right hand side here. Let's click on that, and that'll take us through to how the user is going to see the module once they log in. So they'll come to a course menu page. It'll tell them who they are. We've got the name of the module we just created, module test, and the description, great description. We'll click on there and move our way into the module. And you can tell I didn't put in the corporate logo, but you can tell we've just got the one stage and the one page that we created. We created the welcome. We also created the rollover effect, and we created a little exercise in there. I'm just going to say I'm good this time, and when we submit it, it says no, I was wrong, I'm great. So that just gives you a little overview. The reason for doing this is so you can see what the formatting is like, how it lays out in the player whilst you're going along, so you're not going backwards and forwards to publishers. You can do this all yourself. So let's go back into the player here and let's just see what else we can create in here and put another section in there, and let's call this exercise. And let's go down and choose an exercise. So I'll create the exercise. You can see the logo's a little slightly different. We'll click into the exercise, and the first thing that'll come up is the title, what we want to call it, and you can put whatever intro you like in there. We have pass nav, so if they pass this exercise, then where do they go to next? If they fail this exercise, where do we take them back to what they're doing? How many questions? That automatically populates when we go into adding the questions up here. Allowed attempts, if you leave it at 0, means they can have unlimited attempts, and what the pass mark is. Let's just create one. Show the intro and show the summary. So when we start, we want to see the intro, and it'll show a summary at the end. So click on a question, and the question, we've already got some already made up here. So let's just populate one of those over into the question, so we can select one, and so here it is here. Let's open that up and just show you that. So we've already built this. It's a multiple choice question. There's the question, and these are the answers showing that is the correct answer. And we can put feedback. If we wish, we can show feedback on this question, but we don't in this case. Or we can create a new question from scratch, and the options we have in creating questions are multiple choice, true or false, multi-select, so you can have a number of correct answers, short answer, so as short as a paragraph, text area, so it could be pages of assessment that they needed to write an answer response to, drop downs, or exact match, so if you're wanting to get the exact number or exact word or phrase in there. And these can be placed into different pools so that you can categorize them and find them easy later. And finally, as before, we said there was feedback. That's my quick overview of the dita Creator. Be looking out for more videos, because I'm going to go through each individual component of this in the near future so that you can see how easy it is to build every component. That was just the quick overview. If you're wanting any more information, please visit us at www.ditasolutions.com or like us on the Facebook or Twitter links below. Thank you.